Hello again, and welcome back to Teacher Kenny's Say With Me pronunciation course. We're going to work on a tough one today, guys. These are going to be words that end in I-O-N, S-I-O-N, and they call those suffixes. And the one thing that you're going to notice the most is some of the words like motion sounds like an S-H-E-N at the end of the sentence. Shun. All right. And what that is, when I go sh, that's unvoiced. That means the sound is not coming from here. It's just sh. The other words like vision, that is a voiced S-H, and it comes from here. And if you go vision, you'll feel that sound come from your throat. And my Chinese students used to have a really hard time reproducing that sound, kind of like in the word usually. That's the reason so many Chinese people, my students, go yearly. They never could master that usually. And so that's a big sound, this voiced SH. And we're going to look at this vocabulary and just listen really close. And I'm going to take my time going through this vocabulary and try to point out these differences so you can hear them really clearly. All right. And if you master that voiced SH, you're doing really good, and your pronunciation's coming along. So let's take a look at this I-O-N stuff. All right? Are you ready? I'm ready. Let's do it. Come on. Let's go. Time for a lesson. Well, okay, let's get on with these words that end with T-I-O-N, I-O-N, S-I-O-N. Those sounds, like I said, they're called suffixes. But the main thing is to remember you have one ending, like here, look at line 1 where it's motion, and it sounds like S-H-E-N to your ears, motion. Then the other words will sound like Z, and that is the difference between a voiced SH, and I'll point this out, and the regular sound, the unvoiced. So anyhow, let's look at number 1 and get started here. Motion, mission, and just repeat after me. Nation, and ration. See, all those sound like S-H-E-N at the end of the word. Shun. All right. Line number 2 is session, admission, passion, action. Just say with me. Now, these are pretty easy. Shun, because it's unvoiced. It's easier to say. But number 3, decision. Hear that? Z. That's a voiced SH. Decision. Zhin. Auction. Here we are again with this voiced SH. Confusion. Just repeat after me. Confusion. These are the harder sounds to say. Caution. Line number 4, fiction. Lotion. Conclusion. There's that Z. Conclusion. Question. Now that sounds a little bit different, but that's how that word sounds. It's got more of a yin sound. Question. Tension. That's line number 5. Tension. Chin. Chin. See, there's all those words have some of them have little tiny differences, and that's the reason you need to listen to the foreign speaker, listen to me say the words, and it becomes easier for you. Uh, Portion, vision, hear that? Vision, creation, line number 6, section, profession, and you'll also hear people say profession, but profession, station, division, hear that? Division. And our last line, fusion, hear that? Fusion. Vacation, option, illusion, Learn how to say those sounds, and you'll have to listen to this one several times to master the voiced SH sound. Now let's go find some sentences that we can use. And you can see that we have 5 sentences. And listen closely and just repeat after me. Let's look at sentence number 1. My mission is division of the nation. All right, let me say it again. My mission is division of the nation. Sentence number 2. We need a decision in this session. We need a decision in this session. Sentence number 3. His profession is in admissions. His profession is in admissions. Sentence number 4. Is it an illusion or is it my vision? All right, listen carefully. Let me say it again. Is it an illusion or is it my vision? Sentence number 5. My conclusion will cause confusion. Hear that Z sound? I'll say it again. Listen close. My conclusion will cause confusion. This is some tricky pronunciation to work on, but it's the end of this lesson. Just listen to what I say carefully and practice this many times if you have to. It's really important to hear and say that difference between shun and zhun, and you can hear that coming from my voice really deep. So anyhow, have a great day, and we will see you on the next lesson. Thank you so much.